Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In this video, I will tell you about this smartphone, Hauwei Nova Plus. It has 32 GB memory and 6 GB RAM. It is best mobile, but now it is old version. This is front, back, back camera, fingerprint, front camera, LCD. Now we open lower side, two small screw lock this mobile phone. Very tiny screw. Screw put on the magnet. SIM jacket. Fingerprint is in working condition. This is LCD. Now we open and show you what is inside the smartphone. Open carefully. After opening the screw, it is press fitted. This is fingerprint sensor. Now we disconnect fingerprint sensor. This is battery, back camera. This is other circuits, charging circuit, speaker, on off switches, volume switches, front camera, LCD, LCD is almost separate from the smartphone. This one inside the smartphone. mobile is fully functional. Touch is not working. Now we on off with on off switch. Now we close smartphone and show you that it is fully functional. Now we touch finger print sensor connect with the mobile phone. It is little bit difficult. Very carefully connect this sensor. Now okay. Now we close smartphone and on. Now we go to YouTube channel and show you the performance of this smartphone. You see the video quality and smartphone efficiency. LCD is almost separate from the smartphone, but it is in working condition. Okay, best wishes. Please take care of yourself and this channel, and please subscribe this channel.